So there's so many different parameters that you could adjust here that you can really dial in your sound. So that is really the secret plugin. So I was in the lock state. So let me go ahead and get out of that. What is up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Upsiders on Instagram, and welcome back to another tutorial. So today we are back using the machine. I'm working with Machine Plus, and I want to show you how to get this cool filter effect using a cool plugin. And if you guys haven't used this plugin, you have to try it. I'm going to show you what it is. So if you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. So whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's tutorial, which is some cool tricks inside of the machine. All right, so the first thing that I want to do is kind of play you some of the track just so you can kind of get a feel of what's going on with the beat. So I'm gonna start with the intro and we're gonna play each section here. All right, so that's the intro. Here's the build. Now is the verse. And then for the section A, all I really did was added just a little bit more of some drum / percussion sound. So you just hear the clap to kind of pick up the verse a little bit. So again, this is the verse, and then I'll switch it right to the A section. And then the hook kind of does the same exact thing. So here's the hook. So with that, you can kind of hear the melody, but this is the part where I want to show you how I got this sound right here. All right, so let me go ahead and go over to that portion there. So it's gonna be in my melody here, and I'm just gonna scroll up here so you can see what is going on with this track here. I have the filter right here at the bottom, but let me show you how I got there. This is kind of the sound that I'm going for, but pretty much what I did, I made a copy of the intro, which is up here. Again, this is the intro. So what I did, I took this icon right here and I just clicked it, held it, and then dragged it over to pad number 16 here, which then made an audio track. So you can see the audio track right here. All right, so one of my favorite plugins is the Choral. So with this one here, I'm using a preset called the Fast Leslie, and this one just kind of gives you that, just a quick modulation type of effect with the pitches here. So let's listen to what the choral is doing. All right, so the next plugin I'm using is the plugin called Byte. And if I bring this to the screen here, you'll see that this one here is the one that's doing all the magical work here. So let's take a listen to see what Byte is doing. All right, so this is the secret plugin that I want to tell you guys about, because not only do you get to add some filter, some crunch, but this plugin is so powerful that you can add some saturation to the sample, just kind of changing the tonality of the sample. And I remember watching an interview from Noah 40, and which is Drake's producer, and he talks about how he degrades the sample by changing the sample rate. So if you change the sample rate to like maybe 32, 31, or 1,000, what you're basically doing is you're cutting off that high end. So it's almost acting like a low pass filter. So again, this is what I'm kind of replicating right here. So let's take a listen to what this is doing. So there's so many different parameters that you could adjust here that you can really dial in your sound. So that is really the secret plugin. So I was in the lock state. So let me go ahead and get out of that to go back to my original setting, and we're gonna enable byte. And then the next plugin I'm using is something called Flare. Let me go back and get this off the screen here, and we're gonna go over to Flare. And this is what Flare pretty much looks like here. So it's almost like a flanger type of deal. So I'm gonna add that back in there. And then last but not least, I added a compressor just to kind of bring it back up that lost level. And so that's how you pretty much get that nice underwater slash Drake Noah 40 type of effect there. So again, if the beat is playing, what I can do, go back to my ideas mode here. So the beat is gonna be playing. So we'll start with verse number 1 here. So that change right there just kind of gives it a different dynamic to the beat. So it's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status. If you found some value in this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. Thank you for tuning in, and we will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. We out.